Hi guys, I'm sorry I'm gone. I have the flu. I need you to carefully listen and or read through these directions so you know your job. Please do not sit at the table by the bookshelf or the comfy chairs. Let's all stick to a desk, an exercise ball, or a standing desk. Um, if you have a graded probe in the bin on the side counter, there are a lot of them. Find any that belong to you and graph them. I then am going to be very trusting of Chance, Cameron, OJ, and Zydacia. I need the following probes completed. Um, if you are doing a math, you get 4 minutes in a calculator. That is Zydacia and OJ. Try and get on the same timer just to keep it easy. I also need a reading from Zydacia, OJ, and Cameron. You need to get your next one out of your folder and then get a second copy out of the file cabinet for Mrs. Woods. You're going to read with her. And then Chance, you need to do a writing. So you get 1 minute to think and 5 minutes to write. You're setting your own timer. While those people are doing their probes, I expect the rest of you to be silent. We haven't had much success with this in the past. There's been some side conversations or noises or looks exchanged between each other. Please just respect their time and be quiet. And you need to choose from the below items that are not computer games during this time. Until 11:30, when probes are being done, 10:30, when probes are being completed, these are your options. You have an organizer and an actively learn writing due tomorrow for science. If you have not completed your light and color, light and sound, or whatever other CERs you have, or actively learn articles, those aren't optional. They need to be done and they're very late. So please work on those if you're not done. If you need someone to look over them, ask the sub to see if it makes sense. Ask Mrs. Woods, ask Mrs. Collar. Also, I know that there was an IO assessment review posted, and you always have math links. Free read or listen to your book. If you're going to free read or listen to your book, don't immediately go into the corner because I just assume that you're going to be on YouTube. So stay at your seat and use headphones. Cameron and Zydacia, there's a history test for each of you that you have like 5 questions left. It's on the left side of my desk. And when you're done answering those questions, please put it back. If you need those questions read aloud to you, raise your hand and the sub would be happy to do so. Please work on the above items until 10:30. I'm being very gracious, and after 10:30, you may play a game as a class. Remember your manners, be respectful, keep the volume at an appropriate level. I know when we play a game, we get awfully excited, and anyone that doesn't follow these expectations will have a consequence. I appreciate you working hard.